Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix FragPunk network error unable to connect to servers. So if you're using Aero router, what you need to do here, you need to go to Aero app, and then you just need to go to security and privacy, then go to network controls and turn off advanced security. If you do not use these routers, what I suggest to do here and what helped me is VPN. So I just connected to, I have a VPN and I have router VPN, and then I just set to from low latency to high and connected to the best server for me and went to the game. So let me show you how it works. So I don't show you my IP here. I will just connect to the internet here. And as it connected, I can go to Steam, FragPunk, and it will be no network error. And after that, after you bypass the error, what I suggest to do here is to simply disconnect from the VPN, and the issue should be solved. So let me load up the game. So as you can see here, guys, the game is perfectly working. And if you're wondering what VPN I'm using, so let me show you. I'm using this providervpn.com. It costs $1 per month or €1, and I will leave the link in the description so you can access to me and I will get small commission. Or you can simply, I believe there is a free VPN. I don't remember which one. I believe with Proton VPN you can get a free 1 month, but I don't really know. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.